what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Mr. Buzz checking in. And if this is your first time, welcome to the channel. Go ahead and take a look around, take a look at a few videos. If you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button to recommend it to other viewers. Go ahead and turn that notification bell on so you can get notified every time I drop a video. Yo, today I'm just gonna tell you that I did something. I did something big. I did my big one. I ate. I ate something that you can eat. So y'all remember back when I had my farm? Yeah, it was a farm. It was a whole farm out here. Yeah, the farm in my backyard, my little garden. So remember I was growing watermelon. I grew corn. What else did I grow? I thought I grew something else. I thought I had another growing season. Or did I just try the watermelon and corn twice? But yeah, yo, something that I learned today. Yo, I thought I failed. I thought I did a bad job with my watermelon. All right, so me and Shay, we were at a farmer's market the other week. There was this one farmer that had watermelon, that had a whole bunch of other things. But the thing that really stood out to me were their watermelon. People were asking, are they, do you take them home and they finish growing? She said, no. They're I don't know, baby sugar watermelons or baby sugar baby watermelons or little, whatever I was growing, that's what they were. She said, no, they're fully grown. They're ready to eat. And they were, you could fit them in the palm of your hand. Just like my watermelon. I had the same exact size watermelon. So the whole time I was thinking I was a failure because I didn't have these big watermelon that grow at the store. And I don't know if, the size difference is if, they pump those with chemicals and all that, make them grow bigger, just like, Good Burger and Mondo Burger. But, or if they're just another species of watermelon, or, just a different type of seed or watermelon. But yeah, my watermelon, and I was like, why won't my watermelon grow? Grow! And I had some big little baby watermelons too. And, hey... So if you tell a fish that they're dumb because they can't fly, they'll grow up thinking that they're dumb and that they're a failure and that they can't achieve anything. But if you tell them, if basically moral of the story, if you tell somebody that that they're doing wrong, or if somebody thinks that they're doing wrong, or if they think they're wrong or not getting it right, or that's basically the same thing. All right. Hey baby, my little dog just came up. Baby, we did it. We grew some good watermelon. Yeah. So hold on. Let me let you guys know what. Let me let you guys take a look at my farm in its current state. Right now it's in bad condition, as you'll see. All right. So yeah, welcome to the farm. This is the farm. So this is where I once grew corn and watermelon. Yep, if you weren't here for it, those were some good times. We had some good vegetation growing in. And yeah, now it's just weeds and looks like something's trying to grow, but those are just weeds. I actually might get back out here. It's May. I feel like it might be kind of late to get back out here to grow something. But then again, it is Georgia, and we stay hot for a longer period, so I don't know. Might try to grow something else. Yeah, man, so I don't know. I'm really having that itch to grow something. I'm really having that farmer's itch. I don't know what to grow though. I don't know, should I go back to water? No, I think I'm done with watermelon. I think I might want to grow some more corn. I like growing corn. Thinking about onions. I'm thinking about bell peppers. Let's see. I'm thinking about lettuce. Trying to think of things that we actually use. Tomatoes, maybe. I don't know. I might do a poll just to see what you guys think I should grow. Get in the comments. Let me know what you think I should grow. What are you growing in your garden? Yeah. Yeah. I think growing. See, I'm having a lot of itches. I'm still having an itch to continue learning how to play guitar. Yes, I'm still learning how to play guitar. Well, I'm not actively learning. I just have my guitar, but summer's coming up. I'm not in a program for the summer. I also have an itch to put together a puzzle, to do a jigsaw puzzle. I have a lot of itches. This summer's going to be interesting. I'm ready for it. We're entering our last week of school. This is our last full week of school we're going into. We have 1 week and 3 days, and that third day, that last day, that Wednesday is a half day. So, and then we'll have to go to graduation the next day, and then we have to go Friday to, I guess, clean out our rooms and everything. But my room's gonna be all the way already clean, and I'm gonna be ready to be out. So, yes, teachers, we're almost here to the finish line. Let's go!